Good morning. Welcome to class. Today's Thursday, January 14th. We have a lesson on reversing an array and then some coding bat questions. So if you look in the folder for today, you see the lesson obviously, and then here are the coding bat questions. There's 7 of them, just practicing with arrays, and then there's little help videos. If you get stuck, you can watch one of those help videos to help you figure it out. It is a lot of questions, but they go kind of fast. I used to do this as a race, and you can see some of the records from previous years. When I did it, it took me 6 minutes, 30 seconds, and then here's some records from the students. So they don't take super long, and they do have help videos if you get stuck. So that is the plan for today. Just a reminder, when you do these coding bat, make sure you log in, right? You can just click on it and start on the question, right? Read it and do your code here. But don't forget to log into your account up here. So that's all I got. Thanks and have a good day.